Up first this evening, another arrest as the police continue investigations into allegations of corruption at the National Energy Solutions Limited, NESOL.
A NESOL supervisor has been taken into custody and charged with multiple counts of fraud. TVJ's Dwayne Anderson has his primetime news update.
The NESOL supervisor, 28-year-old Raymond Hamilton, was arrested and charged on Thursday. Hamilton is the third NESOL employee to be charged as part of investigations into allegations of corruption at the state agency. He is charged with causing money to be paid out by NESOL by means of false pretense, under the Larceny Act and Breaches of the Proceeds of Crime Act. His arrest follows that of NESOL Chief Engineer Lawrence Pommels and his co-accused Ricardo Harris. Both were arrested in June following the seizure of $35 million and 4 high-end vehicles at Pommel's home. They were subsequently charged with breaches of the Corruption Prevention Act, money laundering, as well as being in possession of criminal property and bribery. The Director of Public Prosecutions has since filed an application before the St. Andrew Parish Court seeking disclosure of the financial records and bank accounts of Pommels ahead of his return to court on December 10. Hamilton is also booked to appear in court on that date. NESOL's managing director, Carolyn Warren, resigned in July after it was revealed she did not declare a conviction. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.